Hello everyone! For today's video to the mountains, sa mga Mars, for today's vlog is mag-transplant kami ng kamatis to the mountains. So ayan mga Mars, season family only. So let's go! So ayan, Jinky Yarn mga Mars. It's me, Tarang! So before that, organic first mga Mars.